Only qualified personnel should service and install Napoleon appliances and accessories. See product manual for details. This video will demonstrate how to replace the Ignitor wire on a Napoleon Prestige PRO gas grill. To perform this service, you will need gloves, safety glasses, a 1/4-inch drive wrench or socket, and tape. To begin, disconnect all power sources from the grill, so it can be safely serviced. Remove the back cover, using a 1/4-inch drive wrench, or socket. The cover is located at the back of the grill, between the grill head and the cabinet. Ensure the igniter block and bracket remain within the opening. Move to the front of the grill, and turn your attention to the top right corner of the cabinet, to locate the white Molex. Disconnect the white Molex, and free it from the clip in the upper left corner of the cabinet, next to the grill head. Locate the new igniter wire, and connect it to the white Molex in the grill. Use tape to secure the opposite end, with the red connectors, to the old igniter wire. Feed the taped end through the cabinet, next to the grill head, and move to the back of the grill. Identify the old igniter wire, connected to the igniter block, and pull it through to the back of the grill. This will bring the taped end, and new igniter wire through with it. Disconnect the old igniter wire from the igniter block. Pull and wiggle the connection until both ends are free, and replace them with the new igniter wire. Next, plug in the grill to return power to it, and turn on the control box. Test for correct operation of the igniter, by pressing the igniter button on the control panel. When pressed and held, you should hear and see a spark on the side and rear burner. Once correct operation is confirmed, reinstall the rear cover using a 1/4-inch drive wrench or socket. Start by reinstalling the rear igniter bracket, on the right side of the cover. The flanges on the bottom of the bracket fit into the holes in the bottom of the back cover. Once in place, secure the bracket to the back cover. And secure the outer edges of the cover to the grill. Click here to view the Wolf Steel Technical YouTube page. Like and subscribe to our channel to get notifications for new product and troubleshooting videos.